Hey everyone, it's Jack with another Tip Tuesday. But before I get into it, I want to remind you to head over to reimastermind.net and check out my past episodes. I've had on some amazing guests with some actionable strategies that will take your real estate investing to the next level. So head over to reimastermind.net for those past episodes. This week, one of my kids hit another milestone. It reminded me why we get into real estate investing. And I wanted to share that with you here today. And a lot of us are going to say that we're doing this to maybe establish generational wealth, or we're trying to escape that 9-to-5 job, or we might be trying to plan for our retirement. But in the end, what is that end goal? Let's distill it down to its core. We're trying to gain back some of that time. We want time to spend with our family and friends, maybe go on that next adventure. But what I want to remind you is that while we're in the hustle and bustle that we call real estate investing, let's not miss those opportunities that are presented to us that right now, that are right there in front of us. So take a moment, go to your kid's baseball game, go to your kid's hockey game, do those little celebrations with your family. Take those little moments that will mean the world to your friends and family, and especially your kids. The kids are going to remember those moments that you're there for them, not that time you're in that duplex working on that unit. So that's really what I wanted to say here today. Enjoy those moments. Well, that's all I really wanted to say here this week. But before I let you go, head over to reimastermind.net again. I've recorded quite a few of these tips, and most of them are under 3 minutes, so I hope I'm making some valuable use of that time. So again, reimastermind.net, and we'll see you next time.